Today we're gonna weld this piece of bracing on, and got it all pretty much fitted up, ready to go. And last week we added this structure down here. It was kind of bent up and boogered up, so that's all done. Threw a quick coat of paint on it, and guess we'll get started on fitting this one back up and get it welded on. Alright, looks pretty good. Good. Alright, so putting some satin black paint on this framework to cover up my fresh welds and just give it a little bit more protection. I'm not too worried about it because I think I'm going to undercoat all this with rubberized undercoating, and all this gets covered up with a piece of plastic sheet on this side anyway, so you can't see it, but figure I might as well give it a little bit of protection while I'm at it. Oh, that looks a lot better now. Definitely need to put some undercoat over this garbage though. For those of you that haven't seen any of these videos yet, this is a 2004 Monaco Camelot 40-footer quad slide. Purchased wrecked with the salvage title from Copart auctions. And obviously the front end was wrecked and has a few other issues. So I've been making videos to show the progress, and if you haven't seen it yet, check out my channel, Hancock 299. I think we're up to about video, I think this might be 8 or 9. So there's a bunch of previous videos of some work I've done if you're interested, and I'll give you a quick look at what this thing looks like. So stairwell was boogered up. I got that pretty well fixed up. Got some flooring to replace. Had the dash all loose and still not put back in place yet. And putting all new flooring in it. We'll keep the tile back in the kitchen area, but all this carpet's getting replaced with luxury vinyl flooring. And anyways, that's my project, and hope to get it done this winter. See how it goes. And if you like watching these kinds of videos, check out my channel, Hancock 299, and be sure to click like and subscribe. And I'll try to keep making these videos. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to do the driver's side bracing. Start cutting that off, and got it kind of marked where I want to cut it, and we'll see how it goes here. Alright, that piece is pretty boogered up. That bracket's what attaches the front cap at the opening where the generator is. Obviously that was all bent up pretty bad, and then I've got fittings here for the to hook on auxiliary air attachments and stuff up front. And my new piece from Visone has all new fittings there, so don't need this piece of crap anymore. You see the welds are cracked up here on this piece, so no big deal. Alright, so this is going to be difficult, cutting this piece of angle away from a little piece of sheet metal that's attached to this plastic electronics box. So probably try to use a sawzall to get in there to cut that, maybe. So guess I'll just keep cutting.